Hello, good morning. Today we will learn how to make a shadow puppet. Materials you need. So this is the A4 size white paper. Next, ice cream stick. Then a pencil, eraser and scissors, a tape. Okay. Now you have to see how the shape of a puppet is drawn. First, draw a curved line to make the shape of a shark. So now you add the mouth, a V shape slowly, and then go to the next step, fin. Now you draw another line to complete its body. Then you go to the next step, draw a tail, then you draw the other fin, then the next fin, then you draw a big eyes nicely. Now the shark can see. Now you can see how the lines and dots are drawn to add an effect. Okay, now you add the teeth for the shark. Now the shark picture is complete. So this is a picture of a shark. Thank you. Next step, now go to snip the shark. Now how will you cut the shark? Using a scissor. Slowly start from the tail, slowly go along the line drawn. Careful. Slowly cut out the shape of a shark along the drawn line. Now you have the shape of a shark. Slowly, now take one side, take the ice cream stick and stick it using a tape. Center it and stick it. Stick it firmly. Now you have made the puppet ready. Okay. Now we will see how it works. Thank you. Stop it. Now you see the shark shadow of a puppet. Now the shark is a huge sea animal, and as you move behind, you can see it is going smaller to a bigger size. Can you see the shark from small to a bigger as you move back? Now you see the next puppet. It is the rabbit. The rabbit is watching its shape on the other side. Now you can see the dog. They are dancing. Now you see the cat puppet. As they are moving away, they are going smaller, and as they are moving back, they are becoming bigger size. So you can see both of them. Now you see the duck puppet. The duck shadow puppet moving up and closer, smaller. They are becoming smaller as you move closer, and they are dancing. The duck is dancing. Okay.